এটা ভাবছি তুমি এক্সট্রা ভাজি ভালো হওয়ার জন্য সেই স্বাদ হবে। হালকাভাবে গরম পানি দিলে অনেক ভালো হবে। এই আখার দোকানের চা তো অনেক জায়গায় যায়, অনেক জায়গা থেকে অফার আসে।
কোন চা বাগান থেকে আনছেন এটা?
এটা অনেক দূর থেকে ফুরিজুরি বাগান থেকে আসছে।
আর আপনার নাম কি?
আমার নাম মোহাম্মদ জসিমউদ্দিন।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। আপনি ভালো আছেন?
আমি আছি ভালো, ধন্যবাদ।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
Right, so we're gonna have one of the local brews, and the gentleman was kind enough to make it for me. And we're actually across the road from where we were last year, which was over there in Fultoli Bazar. There's Emran, he's back again this year.
Hi.
And this is Afna Namki?
Pahad.
Pahad. And we're gonna resume with my tea after these introductions have been made. I don't know if you can see that under the subdued light. Hang on, see if I can bring it. If you can see that without me spilling it all over the place. Hot and steamy. Right, so here goes. Very sweet. It's getting as sweet as me because you know I'm made of milk chocolate. Oh, that is delicious. Very hot. It could do with being a bit sweeter. It's strong as well, which is how I like my tea. Right, you can love me and leave me now. I'm going to enjoy this in peace as usual. And good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to this next installment of my Bangladesh vlog. I'm here at Shaistanagar Bazar or market. I'm going to show you around because I've not had a chance to show you any places during the day market wise. It's always been after dusk because if you remember the one in Bania Chong, I was there after the final call for prayer, or rather the second final one, Maghrib. So now I can show you the delights in this one because we still have quite a bit of daylight left. There's the pan stall. Oh, and I also showed you Chaudhry Bazar in Habiganj, but that was at night as well. So hopefully I'll get some interaction with some locals wondering what I'm up to and why I'm filming them today. হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ভালো আছেন? কি ব্যস্ত আছেন আজকে? খুব কি ভালো জিনিস আছে আজকে? কোনটা ভালো?
ভালো জিনিস শিম আছে, ঝিঙ্গা আছে।
আচ্ছা, শিম কোনটা? ওইটা। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আপনি কয় বছরের জন্য ব্যস্ত আছো জিনিস শিখানো?
আমি 15 বছর।
15 বছর, আচ্ছা। আচ্ছা, ভালো থাকিও, আল্লাহ হাফিজ। Just had my first customer there. And now we're coming into the stinky section. The fish. I guess the best of the fish was taken away earlier in the day, but there's still a few remnants left. Let's have a look. You know it's good stuff when the flies are at it.
আচ্ছা, মাছ একবার ফ্রেশ আছে, দেখেন মাছ একবার ফ্রেশ আছে।
কোন থেকে আনছেন মাছ?
আমরা এখন স্বাস্থ্যের বাজারে কিনি, কতখান থেকে লাখার থেকে অনেক জায়গা থেকে।
আর আপনার নাম কি?
আমার নাম আব্দুল মুন্নান।
Okay, I just took a few photos of this gentleman. Hopefully I'll stick one in this vlog. And here's the stinky dried fish, shutki. You can smell it a mile off. It's absolutely pongy. Whew. I'd better get out of here before I start smelling of it. And the poultry livestock, ready for slaughter. You take your pick and they'll sort you out. Poor birds on death row. Do 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 do. If you're a vegan, I apologize. And some pigeons from the looks of things. Assalamualaikum bala hasan. Oi kobitor manush khaini na fale.
Khayo fale basa.
Acha. Koto dia bechen ekta.
Jura besi 500 টাকা jura 250 টাকা piece. দুইটা কইতরের দাম 500 টাকা.
Oh, duita, so 2 for 500, my mistake. Apnar naam ki?
Abdul Ali.
Abdul Alim. Assalamualaikum. Kemon aছেন? And in this one it looks like quail. Not seeing quail for sale over here, unless I stand corrected. I've climbed up the staircase just leading up above the market just to show you the views on the street below. And there is the lovely sun in front of us going into setting mode. So this is a view onto the main street in front of me. And this is the actual roof of the market I was at moments ago. You can see they've discarded a lot of their old baskets onto it. Someone needs to clean this up. So I'm making my way to the very top of the building, if at all possible. It's still under construction and there's no, or rather nothing in the way of safety to stop people coming in and falling off. As you can see the steps there. If you're not that careful, you could end up tumbling down. Yes, we've made it onto the roof. Just look at that view as I pan around and give you as much of a 360 as possible. Look at that glorious sun in front of me. So we're approximately half an hour from sunset, and I love the way that when the sun is setting over here, it's so hazy above the horizon that you never see it touching, but you can see the sun comfortably enough with your own naked eyes. That's to do with all the pollution, I guess. And that's the cemetery there, that green area. And then looking down below us. And it amazes me, even in the disarray, even in the construction of what's going on, people still make an effort to plant and grow their own stuff, as you can see on the roof. Probably because it gets the best sunlight. And just looking up yonder on those rods sticking out the roof, there's an abundance of sparrows. And there's loads of them here in Bangladesh. You can't miss them. Probably the most common bird here. I just have to get a shot of these kids playing football. They use whatever land is available. Right, let's continue our walk. And we're heading to Saiful Rahman Bridge. Hopefully catch the sunset from around there, and going to cross over to the village on the other side of the Kwai River, which is Aralia. And some of these scenes may look a bit familiar to you because I was here last year. I flew the drone from the bridge to capture the sunset with a big crowd, and unfortunately I had a bit of a mishap with the drone a couple of days ago. The drone survived the ordeal, but there's a problem with the camera. I just need to get it opened up. I'm hoping someone local can have a look at it and then fix anything loose in it. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's something loose because it's not focusing right. So until then, you have to grin and bear it with the drone footage, And I have to bring out my trusted Sony A7 III to take terrestrial shots for you. So here is Sylhet Bridge, which I'm about to cross over. Gotta mind the traffic, and we may see plenty of anglers down below, because the river down below, it's the River Kwai, not the River Kwai, but spelled differently, but this is in effect the bridge over the River Kwai, every pun intended there. So let's check out the views. We're getting the pre-sunset glow, and looking eastwards you see plenty of nets on the banks of the river. Some are in action to catch the fish, and here's some anglers right on the bridge itself, and looking down into the murky water below. So we're just entering the village of Aralia, and I thought I'd give you a temperature check. It's just after 5 p.m. It's 30 degrees Celsius, real feel of 30. So I'm going to find out where I can get a decent brew around here. Assalamu alaikum. Ekhano kunano moja dudh sa pawa jay? Dudh cha? Ji. Khula hoise na ni? কোন দোকান?
এটা লোকের দোকানটা।
ও
খুলা হইছে না, দুধ চা হইতাছে। গায়ের দুধ। ওই যে এটা মাইয়া দুধ চা আছে।
ওটার মধ্যে। ও আচ্ছা।
গায়ের দুধ। এটা খুলছে না।
না নলে কনডেন্স দুধ দিয়া হইব। কনডেন্স দুধ দিয়া হইব। ইতি হইব নি?
আরে কইতাছে টফের দুধ হইব।
আমি জিজ্ঞেস করি ওখানে। থ্যাংক ইউ। ধন্যবাদ। Now I just asked him where I can get a decent brew, milk tea. So maybe here. Assalamu alaikum. Apne dudh cha besan ni? Dudh cha besan ni? Na, aro samne pawa jaibo ni? Acha, thank you. Dhanyabad. No, he doesn't sell it. I thought he did. I'll just keep walking till I find what looks like a reputable tea stall. Oh, here's one. Assalamu alaikum. আপনার দুধ চা বেছেন নি? আচ্ছা একটা দিবেন নি প্লিজ, চিনি সারা যদি পারেন। ধন্যবাদ। যে
চিনি সামান্য হইব।
সামান্য হলে ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু আরও দিয়েন না পরে, হইব নি? ধন্যবাদ। Right, and get to meet some locals. Assalamu alaikum, ভালো আছেন? So they're very friendly here, as you will have found out about Bangladesh. Jesus, I am sweating like anything. I didn't realise how hot it was. Assalamu alaikum, ভালো আছেন?
ভালো থাক মোহাম্মদ, দেশের মাটি খারাপ। কেমনে বাঁচতাম? 60 টাকা 70 টাকা হইছে 100 টাকা আলুর কেজি। এই বাচ্চা কাচ্চা লইয়া জি মাইলি হসাই আকাল করতে আলু 3 দিনে ওয়াটাল। কি করবেন? দেশ যদি অবেটি যদি দেশ না লামে তো আমরা দেশের মাটিতে শেষ মরা।
চা খাইবেন একটা, চা খাইয়া খুশি হইবেন।
একটার দাম 10 টাকা। যদি সার চিনি তো কমাই দিতে না ফেরা তো এটা আমরা খাইতাম। এখন তো আমরা মসজিদ দেওয়ানা হইয়া, আমরা গরিব তো মসজিদ দেওয়ানা।
রাখেন কেন? ধন্যবাদ। একটা চা 10 টাকা নানি। 10 টাকা নানি। Extra 5 taka. So the tea here, I thought it's going to be 10 taka. It's only 5 taka, which is about 4 cents. So cheers, let's try it. Oh, that is good. Very, very sweet. But I asked him for it to be as little sweet as possible, if that makes sense. But I'm enjoying it nonetheless. As the elderly gentleman in front of me, he's going on about his life and how pitiful it is, but God bless him.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I just offered him a brew. Kawai mo na? Walaikum salam. Balo asan. So I'm going to try my best to get all this translated as best I can, because I'm understanding maybe 60-70% of it. আপনার নাম কি? জি
মোহাম্মদ ইদুই মিয়া।
আচ্ছা, আর আপনার চা দোকান ইউটিউবও ঢুকবো কয়েক সপ্তাহ পরে। তা আমি খুশি হইব, আপনি খুশি হইবেন
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
আনন্দ স্যার
যাবানা
বানানো মিয়া, তুমি রানিং এ থাকো, তোমার ইউটিউবে দেখা দিবে।
মায়া দেখা দিবে বাংলাদেশ রাস্তা বাংলাদেশ যাওয়া
তোমরা দুইটা দাও ঘুমাইয়া ঘুমাইয়া তুমি রে।
কিন্তু সাবে করে যেতে কত কত যাবে হোম নি করবা।
সেটা ঠকায়ও না আবার, তেমন তো মাপ ঠিক ভাবে দিও। কেসে দিবে।
He said don't cheat people because it's all on camera.
সারা বিশ্বতে কত দাও।
জানে গেছে এটা কাছে তো
It's Ajahn time and the gentleman, the owner of the tea shop, is offering me some pan. So diadan jeta monchao eti diadan. Ekta packeter mudde. So that is the adhan you can hear in the background, the call to prayer for sunset. So it's the fourth one of the day. And that is some lime they're going to coat on it, that white stuff. আচ্ছা ভাই ধন্যবাদ। কত লাগবে এটার লাগি? আচ্ছা অনেক ধন্যবাদ, থ্যাংক ইউ। খাই মনে পড়ে। Right, and I have some new friends. Where have they gone? Oh, there they are. Hopefully they're going to subscribe to my channel later. আপনার নাম কি?
এতো ভাইয়া মোহাম্মদ মাসুম মিয়া।
হ্যাঁ আশিক শুক্লা হইলাম।
আর আরেকজন আসিল, কই গেল?
হ্যাঁ ভিতরে গেছে মনে হয়।
Oh, there was three of them, but he's inside. Here he is coming. Ashan? Is he going to come up and say hi to the camera, I wonder? Or is he camera shy? No? Okay. And after kunano taken?
আমরা পাশে হবিগঞ্জ ইনাতাবাদ গ্রাম।
Oh, acha. আর আপনারা কিছু ইংলিশ জানেন নি? না। তো কইতে পারবেন নি? Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
আরো জোরে কইয়া দেন।
Please like and subscribe your channel.
Thank you. Thank you very much, gentlemen. And Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
And I wonder if Loshy can tell me what breed of goat this is. And it amazes me, even in the disarray, people are taking pride in growing their own